it's your girl Ty. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're a newbie, sit back, relax, enjoy, and hit that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. I posted this on Instagram and everybody loved it. I got such a big response on it. Everybody's been asking me to post how I did the look. So this is finally the video. So I wanted to post it because it was highly requested. And then also I told you guys in my last video that I have another big video coming up. And I kind of want you guys to learn how to do these basics because this is a really neutral eye. So I want you guys to learn how to do these basics. So when I get to that video, you guys already know how to do this. I'm going to dedicate this video to my friend Tori because she's been asking me every day, Ty, when you put up this video, Ty, when you going to show me how to do that look? So Tori, this is the look. And you know what? I think I might try to dedicate each video to somebody. That's a cool idea. I don't know. I'm just throwing that out there. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But that's a cool idea. So I think I might do that. Anyhow, if you want to see how I got this look, well, before you see how I got this look, I'm going to say it again. I need y'all to subscribe, okay? So if you want to see, after you subscribe, if you want to see how I got this naked look, just keep watching.
So I am starting with foundation. I'm using my MAC Studio Finish in the shade NW43. And now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. So I'm going to put that under my eyes, down my nose, on my forehead, under where I contour, and then also around my mouth. Just because I like to bring light to the center of my face. I'm also going to put it on my eyes so I can have a base for my eyeshadows. Now I'm going in with my black Opal foundation stick to contour. So now I'm taking my damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend this all out. I am going through this part really fast just because I went over this in my foundation routine tutorial. So if you guys want to see this in detail, just check out that video and you'll be able to see how I do my foundation routine in full. I'll link that in the bottom in the description box, and I'll also put my eyebrow tutorial in the description box as well. Using my Midnight Banana Powder, I'm just going to set all the places where I put concealer. Now I'm taking my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish powder in the shade Medium Deep just to set my whole face and to wipe away some of that excess powder from the banana powder. To deepen my contour, I am using my black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Rich Mahogany. From here, I'm going to highlight. I'm using my Lena Lashes Lemonade palette in the shade Sweetie Pie. And you guys already know I'm using my favorite blush, which is MAC's Peach Twist. Let's get into eyes. So for this whole look, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. For my brow bone, I am using Tempera. Now I'm going in my crease with burnt orange, and I'm just going to blend this out a little bit. Now I'm also going to add Sienna into my crease as well. And guys, this look is so simple and easy. We only have like 2 more steps, and you guys are going to be like, wow, this eye really took pretty much no time. It's so simple and easy to get. Now using that same blending brush, I'm dipping right into Rustic, and I'm going to add that right in my crease. Not the whole crease, but just right in the outer V, just to smoke it out just a little bit. Now I'm taking orange soda and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. And that's pretty much it for this look, guys. This look is so simple and so easy. After this, off camera, I'm going to do my wing liner and my lashes and then come back. So I'm back. Lashes and liner are done. So now I'm just going in with my MAC lip pencil in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just gonna line my lips with that. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Bare It All, and I'm going to put that right on top of the liner. Now I'm going over everything with my Maybelline's Vivid Hot Liqueur in the shade Unreal. I just love this gloss. And I almost forgot my waterline, y'all. So I had to go back into my palette. I dipped in Sienna and I put that all under my eye. And then I went in with a bigger blending brush just to blend it out a little bit better. And as you guys know, I'm not that big with eyeliner that I put on my waterline, so I'm taking a random eyeliner that I bought from the beauty supply store for about $1, and I'm putting that on my waterline too. And to set everything in place, I'm going in with my Max Fix Plus in Rose.
And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys really liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Please click the button right there and subscribe. And I see you guys next week. Bye.